Good morning, everybody. It is the morning here. We're on vacation. Oh, that's the fresh fruit truck making that noise. Got my, whenever we go on vacation, I like to bring these for the morning. Frappuccino, a little bit of coffee. We're gonna go to the diner and, probably within an hour. Get some breakfast. Had a good night's sleep. It's overcast today, which could be a good thing. So it won't be too hot. I don't think it's supposed to rain because we're planning on going to the beach today. So yeah, that's our plans today. Beach, boardwalk, have some fun. Excuse me, I just woke up. Alright, I got chocolate chip pancakes, some eggs. Sophia got M&M pancakes. Are they good? Alright, breakfast was delicious. Now we're heading back to the hotel. Get ready for the beach. Swimsuits and everything. Sunscreen, even though it's not sunny. But sun rays go through clouds, guys. Alright, we're loading up at the car, getting all the beach stuff. All the beach things. And I'm heading over to the beach. You're done, right? You got everything? Can I lock this up? Cool beans. Let's close the trunk. Oh no, I can't fit. I got a chair on my back. Can I make it? Can I make it? Oh, I got it. Wow. That was a little bit rough, but we got it. All right, let's go to the beach. All right, there's the boardwalk. There's the beach. Oh, the sand in this town is so fine. Really, like fine, very fine. It's kind of overcast though today, which is awesome. It's not too sunny, it's not too hot. All right, can you stop touching my face, bro? Come on. And it's far. Look how far it is. Can you... Max is smacking me.
Stop it, Max.
Such a long walk. Whew. We'll make it. We'll make it, Max. Oh, that plane is advertising fudge. Yeah, Douglas fudge. I'm skipping it this year. I know I'm not on the diet here, but I am not getting the fudge. Not getting the fudge. Get other stuff, because the fudge always lasts longer, then you can have it in the room, then you take it home, there's always leftovers, so we're skipping the fudge. Whew, we're almost there, guys. Almost there. We're getting there, buddy. Don't worry, we're getting there. Alright, first time Max standing in the sand by himself. Is he gonna freak out? Is he gonna freak out? Does he like it? Not really? Is he tired? I think he's tired. Max, we have to set up, okay? Alright, it's time for Max to go check out the ocean! The ocean! It's nice because it's not very crowded because of the weather, I guess, but it's actually really nice out. A little windy, but it's not sunny, which is awesome. What do you think of it so far, Max? We got different sand here. It's wet and hard. And the ocean is coming. Ocean's coming, buddy. Let's go feel the ocean. Let's go feel the ocean. Well, yeah, it's only June. July. It's June still. Go ahead, let's go get wet. Let's go get wet. Ooh, chilly water, buddy.
Max!
Is that chilly water?
Max, how is it?
Ah, that is chilly for sure. It's a little cold, Mommy. It's a little cold. Kinda like it though.
Yeah, hey, look at him. He's going.
Yeah.
He's going.
Let's go visit the sharks, Mommy.
Okay.
Ooh, yeah.
Look at him. He's really like breaking through.
Yeah, he's digging it for sure.
Oh,
Oh no. You good? It's good, Max.
oh, it's okay.
You have a bathing suit on. It's okay, buddy. What do you think, little buddy? Is it kind of cool? Kind of cool? Whee! Oh, that's when you fall. It always throws you off when the wave comes. Okay, cool. Thank you. Yay! Water for sand castles with sister. Oh, look at her go. Oh, there's the water. There's the ocean. Yay! Here's another wave, buddy. Here's another wave. Whee! Oh! So this is the table I got from Amazon, working out perfectly. Look at this. Put our speaker, glasses, phone, everything on here. It's perfect. Kids playing with sand. Max! Max, Max! Max, Max! Max Bash!
Max.
He's too intrigued. He's not gonna look at us. You making a castle, Soph? Oh, it's like we got them like a cooking set sand toys. It's got a little mixer and measuring cups and stuff.
Max.
Is he having fun? Is he doing good here? He's like a sand pro?
Yep, he's a cook.
Wow, what do you, oh, is that it? He's making sand soup.
That's not what we're making.
What?
That's not what we're making.
That's not what you're making. That looks like sand soup to me. I don't know. Is he stirring it? Measuring stuff. What is that? Salt in there? Wait, you need a little pinch of salt.
Bam.
There we
Now
go.
you need some
Bam.
salt. Just
Bam.
some salt. This much salt.
Wait, you need a little bit more bam. Emerald Lagasse. Bam! There we go. Wow. Messy little baby here.
So this is how much salt we need.
Oh, that's it? Okay.
Actually, we need a little more for the pinch.
Max, you gotta mix it like this. Okay, I'll do it then. You gotta mix it with the spatula. That's not a spatula. That's a, what do you call this? Whisk! There we go. Here, I'll leave this here for you, Max.
Magic stuff.
He likes it. Clean the baby. Clean the baby. Whoa, super cool. Whoa! Super duper cool. It is perfect out here with no sun. Great. It is great. Alright, we are done with the beach. Max had fun, but now he's really tired. I hope you guys can hear me. It's very windy. But we're gonna clean up, showers, baths, I don't even know. Put things away in the car. And maybe he'll sleep for a little bit before we go out later. Go to the boardwalk, get some dinner, get some fun. Now put your head down, buddy. Put your head down. Put your head down. Put your head down. Put your head down. Oh, there you go. No, maybe not. The kid is so tired, he actually fell asleep while holding him, while carrying him off the beach. He just turned his head, but he's sleeping. Alright, so me and Max are all cleaned up. Actually took him in the shower with me, cleaned him up with my bathing suit, and then I did me. Handed him off to Liz to change him, dry him, and all that stuff. And now Liz is doing Sophia. Alright, it is like 2:20, so we're gonna just chill out in the room until, I don't know, 4:30 when we leave for dinner. And the boardwalk, we're gonna eat on the boardwalk this time at a place called Captain Jack's. We usually go there the second night. We have such traditions here. We always go the first night to that Italian place yesterday. The second night we go there. I don't know why. We like eating at the same places. Max is going to nap. He's really tired, so he's in there. Once they're done, we'll get out of this room so that he has some peace and quiet and sleep. That's where the shower is, so it's kind of annoying. But we're gonna probably just hang out here. I'm going to review the clips I got so far today for the vlog, and I'm not editing while I'm down here. I'm going to edit when I get home so I can enjoy myself here, but I like to review them a little bit here and there. And just relax, watch YouTube or something, I don't know. But the beach was good. Max had a blast. Like, we were actually really impressed at how much fun he had on the beach, and Sophia, of course, she loved the beach as well. They played together, like, for so long. It was awesome. It was a good experience, and it was nice, like I've said, that it was an overcast day, so it wasn't very sunny and very hot. It started getting a little bit more sunny towards the end, but it was perfect. It was perfect. Oh, look at a big flatbed truck. That is huge. That is really long. think. What's he doing? Can you imagine driving that, guys? Oh my goodness. Coca-Cola! Sponsor my video, please! Please! I don't know. Boardwalk later. And we were there before. Alright, there's our restaurant right up ahead, Captain Jack's. Let's get some dinner. Here it is. Captain Jack's. I'm kind of feeling these. Look how cool these are. Mac and cheese skillets, and they have all these different ones. I'm kind of digging it. I don't know. I might go with the kid meal. Kid meal. I went with a little Long Island iced tea for myself.
I don't know. I just don't want it.
Max is getting milk. Hi, Max.
Like when I'm
Are you still cranky? He napped for a bit in the room. A couple hours, something like that. He has a goldfish appetizer. Yeah. Look at it. Hey, Max. Hi.
Hi, you wanna play?
Hi. Hey, Soph.
It's $5 per person. How many plays?
Oh, we got a new baby. We got a new baby here. Oh, it's a unicorn. It's really big.
Trying to go for choice. We need. Well done. Thank you so much.
There they are. Hi. Bye. See ya.
You wanna play?
Yay, Max. Yay, Max. 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 Yay.
There we go. Off and racing number 10, 13, and 14 head to head. Number 14 got it that time.
So loud. What? Broken? Yay! You won, Mommy, you won! Look, Mommy won! Not really. Whoa, those are so glittery. Those are very glittery, so.
Flippy.
What? Flippy sequins, yeah. Eclaw. You gonna get it?
When do I get that blue and silver one?
The blue one?
The blue and silver.
Oh, it's pretty good. Oh. Oh, not too shabby, girl. Ooh. One more try. Alright, one more try. One more try. Are we gonna get it? Nope. 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 Sad face. Sad face. Wow, Sophia just won one. Well, she has two more tries. Get it.
Get another one to get one for Max.
5 seconds, 4 seconds, go. Oh, just one.
Can you, I want another 3 plays. Can you get one?
Another 3 plays. Oh, there you go.
I want another one. Can you? Got it. No.
Oh,
Can you
man.
try for me, Daddy? I want the penguin. The penguin.
Penguin?
That I dropped.
I'll try. One more shot, guys.
Something like gummy bears.
Oh man, I didn't get it. Sorry. And Mommy won one. Nice job, Mommy. Oh, one. drop. Drop in a number one ball. No, one. Come on.
I got one twice now.
Sophia got the jackpot. Yeah. Nice. You go, girl. Is it fun?
Yeah.
I like it.
Which way?
You're doing a good job. Just straight. Straight. Straight.
How
You're
do I
doing,
want to turn?
you're doing a good job. Alright, we are back at our hotel. We're gonna get ready, go to bed. I'm extra tired today. I feel like I didn't drink enough, so I'm drinking a whole bunch of water. Feeling better already, I think. And head to bed. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.